In this video, we're going to talk about rolling offsets. A rolling offset occurs when we need to shift our conduit run horizontally as well as vertically in the z-axis in elevation. As you can see, we've got 4 conduits at 7 feet here, and then we've got 4 conduits at 10 foot here. We've run this conduit run into the obstruction of a structural column, so we need to slide them over as well as move them up. We have a hypothetical obstruction at 7 feet. We need to bump them up to 10 feet for the run to continue without clashing with some other hypothetical object in the world here. Normally, I would start by coming in here and drawing my conduit and getting it set up for the standard bend of 45, 30, what have you. And now I need to create myself a section. I'm going to go ahead and draw my section out. And in this case, it's done it well. It's really only encompassing what I need half the time. You need to drag the the depth of your section back because it tries to grab the whole model. But in this case, it did a good job, so can't complain there. We're going to go into this section view, which we now need to crank up to fine so we can get our crosshairs on our conduits and fittings. Normally, one would expect to be able to come in here and just grab these fitting and conduit and rotate them, placing the center at the center of the conduit or the fitting. Now you can tab all day long, but it's only ever going to give you a nearest snap. Why I can't grab the node or the endpoint, it just won't grab it. How do we work around that? We're going to grab some detail lines and put them over top of the crosshairs here so we can use that midpoint snap. We're going to do the same thing here at the destination. Boom. Now I can grab my fitting, grab my conduit, hit the rotate. Got to place that center down here. We're going to use that midpoint snap. Now we're going to do a reference from the endpoint on up to the midpoint of the destination conduit. Now we're rotated at the right angle, and we can come in here and trim in our 3D view. Voila, rolling offset. A lot of clicks. Had to create a whole nother view, had to change the detail level of that view. How can we make that quicker? How can we do that faster? Well, BIMrx MEP, we have our Route 2 command. All you got to do is grab the Route 2, pick conduit 1, pick conduit 2. Tell it what angle. I want a 45. Voila. All 4, maybe 5 clicks versus take about, maybe the average rolling offset's about a minute, minute and a half. It can be a little nastier depending on the conditions and what you're trying to achieve, but I can finish this whole run faster than I could do a single manual rolling offset. Finished off that entire run quicker than I could do a single rolling offset without going in, having to manually rotate things. Obviously in the real world we would probably want to pull these back away from that column so we're not running through it. That was the whole purpose of the offset. And as you can see, rolling offset in 3D. Does them perfectly. Click the fittings. They are in fact 45-degree fittings. It's all about saving picks and clicks. It's if you're a designer, that's what your day is. It's all about how many times you click in that mouse, how far are you having to drag that cursor around the screen, how many views are you having to get into and out of. You know, it adds up over the course of a day, over a week, over a year. It's a massive time savings by the end of the year. BIMrx MEP.